I just walked outside now because just below there's another exhibition of a model railway exhibition, and together with that there's a shop where if you want to make your own model railways, then this is the place to come. So this is it. Oh, and yet another coffee. Another place to have a coffee. There's an old Pullman as well. Really pretty. We're going to head off inside here. This bit I might well do with my other camera. So this is the sort of thing you can build and have in your own home. And this is 00 gauge, the sort of thing I had when I was a child.
Spaceship.
No one town that looks like this is buildings from 7 towns in that region have been reproduced in the layout. So it's the train from Barcelona to Blanes.
Look, that's a horsey.
I can see a horsey, can you?
No.
Yeah, you touch something, you can see a horse. 6-minute intervals, the model will be shown in its night phase, the effect of the starry sky being obtained by the use of fibre optics. So it's going to be night in a minute. You can see the mountains in the background as well.
Like a castle.
Castle. Where's the train's gone?
That's just green
You can see the
triangle.
people walking up the steps there as well.
No, no, hay unas loterías aquí por aquí.
Where's the
Lotería.
star?
There.
Where's the star?
There's steps in front of us. Steps there.
What steps again? Can't see. Look. Look.